Arthroscopy. An arthroscopy is a surgical procedure used to visualize, diagnose, and treat joint problems. It's most commonly used on the knees, ankles, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and hips. Arthroscopy allows the orthopedic surgeon to see internal structure of a joint using a tube-like viewing instrument without making a large incision. Surgeons can even repair some types of joint damage during arthroscopy with pencil-thin surgical instruments inserted through additional small incisions. Indications. Doctors use arthroscopy to help diagnose and treat a variety of joint conditions. Diagnosing joint injuries and disease begins with a thorough medical history, physical examination, and usually X-rays. Through the arthroscope, a final diagnosis is made. Some of the reasons to perform an arthroscopic surgery include joint swelling, pain, inflammation, stiffness, repair of damaged cartilage, repair of torn ligaments, removing fragments of loose bone or cartilage, draining away any excess fluid, treating acute or chronic injury, treating arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, or frozen shoulder to determine the cause of the inflammation and discover infections such as tuberculosis. Preparation for arthroscopy. Exact preparations depend on which of your joint the surgeon is examining or repairing. Arthroscopy is essentially a procedure during which no blood loss is expected and generally has few complications. Preoperative evaluation of your health will generally include a physical examination, blood tests, and a urinalysis. If you are on anticoagulants, should have these medications carefully adjusted prior to surgery. Other medical problems should also be controlled prior to surgery, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Your doctor will explain you about the benefits and risks of an arthroscopy, how long it will take to recover from surgery, and whether you will need to do rehabilitation exercises. You will also be asked to sign a consent form to confirm you agree to have the operation and that you understand what's involved, including the potential risks. Fasting after 12 midnight is required. Avoid eating foods 8 hours before your procedure. A nurse will place an intravenous catheter in your hand and inject a mild sedative. An intravenous line established in order to administer fluids and medication for anesthesia. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. Put on a hospital gown or shorts prior to surgery. Performing arthroscopic surgery. Typically, arthroscopy is performed by orthopedic surgeons in an outpatient setting, and the patients can usually return home on the same day once the procedure is completed. The type of anesthesia used varies depending on the joint being examined and the medical health of the patient. Arthroscopy can be done under general, regional, or local anesthesia. Your anesthetist will explain which type of anesthesia is most suitable for you. Patients who have arthroscopic knee surgery under a regional or local anesthesia can often watch their surgery on a monitor. You will be placed in the best position for the procedure you are having. Antibacterial fluid is used to clean the skin over the affected joint, and a small incision is made on the side of the joint so that an arthroscope can be inserted. The size of the arthroscope varies with the size of the joint being examined. Additional small incisions at different points around the joint allow the surgeon to insert surgical tools to grasp, cut, grind, and provide suction as needed for joint repair. The joint is sometimes filled with a sterile fluid to expand it and make it easier for the surgeon to view. The television camera attached to the arthroscope displays the image of the joint on a television screen, allowing the surgeon to look. This lets the surgeon determine the amount or type of injury and then repair or correct the problem if it is necessary. Once the procedure is completed, the arthroscope is removed and the incisions are sutured. The incisions are usually closed using special tape or stitches and covered with a sterile dressing. The length of the arthroscopy procedure varies depending on what your doctor needs to accomplish. Immediately after arthroscopic surgery, patients may be sleepy, especially if a general anesthetic has been used. Your doctor may prescribe medications to relieve pain and inflammation. Your surgeon or care team We'll let you know how long it's likely to take to recover and what activities to avoid until you have fully recovered. Your doctor might prescribe physical therapy and rehabilitation to help strengthen your muscles and improve the function of your joint. Most patients will work with their physical therapist to regain motion and strength of the joint. The length of rehabilitation will also vary depending on what procedure is performed at the time of surgery. Your surgeon will review the findings of the arthroscopy with you as soon as possible and may send a written report. You will be able to go home on the same day or the following morning. The bandage should only be removed under the advice of the treating surgeon or nurse. It should otherwise be kept as dry as possible during the first few days after surgery. For several days after arthroscopy, you will be asked to rest and elevate the joint while applying ice packs to minimize pain and swelling. You might need to use temporary splints, slings, or crutches for comfort and protection. Although the puncture wounds are small and pain in the joint that underwent arthroscopy is minimal, it takes several weeks for the joint to maximally recover. In general, you should be able to resume work and light activity in a few days. Your doctor will continue to monitor your progress during the follow-up visits and will inspect your incisions, remove sutures, and discuss your rehabilitation program. Arthroscopy has tremendous benefits for many types of surgery and can help people return to daily activities much sooner than they used to be able to. Many different surgical procedures that are commonly performed arthroscopically were once performed through the larger incisions. This means it has some advantages over open surgery, including less invasive, less pain after the procedure, and a faster recovery, easier to perform than open surgery, lower risk of infection, can go home on the same day, can resume normal activities more quickly, can perform surgery in an outpatient setting. Complications. An arthroscopy is generally considered to be a safe procedure and complications are uncommon. Patients should notify their doctor immediately if they develop unusual joint pain, swelling, or if they injure the involved joint. Fever, drainage from incision, numbness, tingling, and some loss of sensation, blood clots, and bleeding inside the joint. A variety of surgical procedures can be performed arthroscopically, utilizing small incisions and minimizing soft tissue damage. However, arthroscopic surgery is still a major surgical procedure, involves risks, and requires appropriate post-operative rehabilitation. It's important that you understand the nature of any surgical procedure being considered, the risks involved, and the post-operative recovery that will be necessary to achieve a successful result. Thank you.